start using Python, we first need to download and install it. We'll get the latest version from the official Python website, python.org. Go to python.org in your web browser and hover over Downloads. Click on the link for the most recent 3x version. As of this video, that is Python 3.115. Underneath that, choose the installer for your operating system. For Windows, grab the Windows installer. For Mac, get the macOS installer. And for Linux, you can compile from source if you want. I'll download the Windows installer. Once it's finished, run the executable file and walk through the installation steps. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Python. This will make it easier to run Python from the command line. The default settings should work for most users. Once installation is complete, open up your terminal or command prompt. Type Python, version, and hit enter. You should see it print out the Python version you just installed. If you get an error or don't see a version, try restarting your terminal. If it still doesn't work, you may need to manually add Python to your system's page. And that's it.